Hey guys, just a quick little view for you of what I get to see out my my dining room window every day. Not bad, huh? Beautiful billowy clouds today. Mountains are looking gorgeous. I'm gonna show you that to you real quick. Here, I'll get you a few more. I got my Oregon Ducks flag, my American flag, and my Seattle Seahawks flag. I got my MIA POW flag there. But look at this beautiful day. And if we zoom in there, that is the tallest mountain in Oregon. That's Mount Hood, northwest side of Oregon. It's a long ways away. It looks like it's close there, but it's not. So just want to show you the views I get on a daily basis, what motivates me to keep working and making money. So in today's video, I have a gas furnace, an 80% gas furnace, no heat. This was the same furnace that I went to last week and replaced the circuit board, and I replaced the flame sensor in it. And the circuit board came with an igniter, and I didn't put it in, and I should have. And I fumbled. I made a couple mistakes on my diagnosing too, which hopefully translates on the video. So I got that for you today. And then before we get to that, I wanted to address a commenter. You know, he's acting like it's taking too long to give away this scale, and he thinks that if you watch my video on my update on the giveaway, you know, I'm going to give it away this Saturday. Wednesday. I was going to do it Saturday, but I don't have time for that on Saturday. I got work I got to do, and it's family time. But it's going to get given away on Wednesday. I just wanted to give more people an opportunity. You know, these guys, you want to be one of 10 people that enter and expect to win it? No, there's going to be more people entering before I'm going to give it away, just like last time. And I even last time I gave it away without really enough entries. So I'm trying to make it fair, and I'm trying to make it more random, so you know the same people aren't winning stuff all the time. And if they don't like it, frankly, I don't care. You know, some people are just never happy. And I've said it before. It's all on my own dime giving away this stuff. I'm not making one red cent doing any of this. So, you know, I'm just trying to give it away because someone else will be able to put it to better use than me. And if that's not good enough for some people, if they feel like it's taking too long, then too bad. So yeah, I just wanted to get that off my chest real quick. And then also, you know, as it pertains to training people in HVAC, also I like to train people how to be a good HVAC contractor too, how to make professional looking sales proposals for people. So I'm gonna have another short video today. I'll probably post it at the same time as this one, going over what my proposals look like. And I've used the same template for 20 to 25 years, and it's served me well. It covers your butt, not only with some of the lawyer speak that's at the end of it, to cover you if somebody doesn't pay or if they're late paying you or something, and then also just professional good, better, best on equipment. Good, better, best on equipment, how to put that together, and what information you want to put in there, so you're not only you know, giving them a professional proposal, but you're also educating the customer a little bit too. Sorry guys, I'm trying to talk quick because I'm kind of cramped for time today. But you're also also educating the customer on what they need to see, so they're not asking you questions after you give them the proposal. You want to keep that to a minimum. The only thing you want to hear out of their mouth after you give them a proposal is, where do I sign? What do I make a check out to? I get that all the time because all the questions are answered on the front end. So anyway, I'll have that video out about the same time as this one today, about 3:30 Pacific time. So enjoy the service call, guys. Thanks for watching. Morning, guys. Got a quick little no heat 80% gas furnace call right now. Look at this beautiful view through here. So I usually take this back road whenever I go to one of these houses up here on the plateau. Pretty nice little drive here. But this is the gas furnace that I put that circuit board and that flame sensor on. So hopefully I didn't screw something up. So I either screwed something up, or that that inducer motor that was running high amps finally took a dump, which is what I'm leading towards. So let's get out there and let's see what we can find. Actually, guys, I'm going to give you a little more of this view here. Let's see if we can come up the top here and see the beautiful mountains for you. This is the Crooked River Canyon. Not a cloud in the sky. I think there's some clouds over by the mountains, though, so we might not be able to see it real well. We will see. Give me a second here. Yeah, there's it looks like there's a ring of clouds over there, but let's see what the view looks like. Once we get up to the stop sign up here and take a left, we should get a view of some of the mountains. It's the kind of work I like to do out here in the boonies. Which we're not really. I mean, we're not far from civilization right here. It just seems like we are. Alright guys, we're getting up on this stop sign here, and I won't bore you until we get to the job. I won't bore you anymore with the little drive. I just like to show you guys where I live and how beautiful it is. Alright, here we go. Okay, keep your eyes peeled here. I'll zoom in a little bit more for you. Let's see what we can see here. I might have zoomed a little bit too much. Yeah, straight ahead, that's Mount Jefferson. That's the second largest mountain in Oregon, and it's got clouds around it. Let's see. And it's a perfect view when there's no clouds. Anyway, I'll see you guys at the job. All right, let's see what we can find here. Oh, I have a feeling it's an inducer. Not sure if it's calling or not. Put some jumpers on there. Alright, let's go. Alright, that's W2 you dip. And W. Well, inducer's fine. It's not the inducer. I thought that was what it was going to be. Remember, it was amping up high. I'll pull this top cover off. Okay. Let's restart this. See if our igniter's coming on. Poor lighting in here, I'm sorry. So we got flash in 3. Flashing. There it is. 3 flashes. Pressure switch error. Oh, okay. Could be that inducer's not pushing out. Damn it. Alright, let's pull my vent off here and see if we can get this thing to fire. Nope, I was a dummy. I had my plug off. So hold on a sec. Okay, got everything back together. Let's let it try again. I was a dummy. I had the Romex plug off the board, so forget the inducer. Ugh. Still getting call for heat, no errors. Inducer's running, no prob. Okay, it's going to restart its cycle. We're going to hear the board click because it's going to meet it's going to close the pressure switches. Let's swap that igniter out. What the hell? Okay, guys. So that was my fault there. I should have swapped out that igniter when I swapped out this board. What are the odds, huh? Worked for another week. Murphy's Law. Anyway, got the new igniter in there. I think my leads just weren't touching on my meter. I should have got my little clamp ones. But we're fired up. Rocking and rolling. I'm out of here. Alright guys, pulling out of here. Probably won't get much more for you today. I'm just stopping at another job to grab a check and get a proposal signed. That'll be a heat pump job that I'll be doing next week. So yeah, so it's a little bit of a learning experience there as far as, you know, I don't like to fix things when they're not broken. I like to wait until, you know, if I don't feel like it's something important, because I looked at that igniter when I was here, I don't know, it's been a week or two. I think it was last week. And it looked fine. You know, it didn't look like it had abnormal wear, and it looked like it had been replaced not too long ago. So I just left that one that came with the board there, and then sure as shit, you know, it only lasts another week and decides it wants to go out. So return trip. I didn't charge her. You know, I probably should have just swapped it out with the new board. Why not? It's just an igniter. It's nothing major. But you know, again, I like to fix stuff when it's broken, not to replace parts if they don't need to be. You know, because I don't know how old that igniter was, but it didn't look like it was an old igniter. It looked like it'd probably been replaced during one of her maintenances, maybe last winter or something. So anyway, I'm gonna go pick this check up. I'll see you guys back at the shop, and we'll have a little chit chat, and that'll wrap up this video.